everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, and you get a little life in there. I'm Laura if you're new. Wyatt's the white puppy dog hanging with me today. Hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So it is 35 degrees right now, getting up to 50 today. We've been coming off of ups, downs, right? It's been 60, it's been 20. That's just the last week. It's all over the place. So hopefully we're trending up again. The sun is out today, which I love, and I have a ton to do. So we're going to get right to it with outfit of the day. I pulled out my skinny jeans because, sometimes you really do still want to wear them. At least I do. I still love them. They're still in. Keep them. Don't get rid of them. And this pair is from Agolde. I got them in a Trendsend. Paired it with this sweater from Aerie. And my shoes, Dolce Vita. How cute are those? And for jewelry, I don't have much on today. I have a small bracelet stack and I have on a Brighton necklace. And that is my outfit today to kick off the week. Hopefully I don't need a jacket since the sun's out and it is getting up to 50. So we're going to go without. All right. Hope your week starts off amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. The sun is out. It is 48, getting up to 60 today. I know, right? Sounds amazing. And my FabFitFun posted, so that's the spring box. And so many goodies in that one. I hope you stop by and check that video out. For outfit of the day today, I'm in a Loft outfit. I have on a Loft top, Loft pants, Loft vest, all things Loft. This cute little top is blue and gray. The pants are blue and gray. Has a cute little, like the ruching on the side. Isn't that cute? So cute, right? Anyway, cute little easy outfit for this Monday. And then threw on my aerosols. Yes, my aerosols to finish off the outfit. So that would give them a little bit of edge, I thought. For jewelry, I just have on a necklace my friend got me and a small bracelet stack, and I'm off. All right, well, I have no sidekicks today. They're all sleeping in their beds and didn't want to join me. I will catch you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it's Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is a gorgeous sunny day outside. However, I did go outside to try to film outfit of the day. It's so windy. It was impossible. It was that windy. So lots of wind today, but the temperatures are up to 58. We're supposed to get up to 66 for a high. For outfit of the day today, I had a sunny day in mind, so I chose mauve denim. These are cropped and they're from Wantable. Paired it with just a simple tank from Good American. And then it just made me so happy to pull this little shacket, jacket, shirt, whatever you want to call it, out. I got it from Trendsend. It is a Sundry, and I was happy when I got it in the box. It made me smile. It made me smile to put it on today. And then my shoes, yep, pulled out the leopard because why not? Those are Dolce Vita. I also got those in a Trendsend. And for jewelry, I have on a necklace from, this one is from Cabi. I love this one. And my bracelet stack, and my day began. All right, well, Wyatt and I got to get back to work. Hope you're doing fabulous. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. Wyatt's here, the sun is shining, it is warm, it's 60 degrees outside, it's supposed to get up to 69. The wind has calmed down a little bit, but I have no furniture outside to do outfit of the day. Plus there's all kinds of noise going out because people are so excited that it's nice out. So we're still inside, unfortunately. Soon, I'm feeling like hopefully in a month, maybe I'll be able to get the furniture out and cushions out and we'll be having some outside time, which I can't wait. All right, so my front door fashion posted today, so good. The blue blazer I absolutely loved, but I did not keep it because I own one. The color was so similar, I couldn't keep it. It just wasn't worth it. but I love that color blue. So really, really awesome. I didn't keep the white pants because they just weren't the best fit for me. But I do have another front door fashion coming up. So my stylist did one for me before vacation that she sent me another white pair that I love. They're also by Paige. And then what else was really good that I did not keep? The scarf I didn't keep. I feel like I have a lot of scarves and I never grabbed for them, so I couldn't justify the price tag on that. So let's talk about what I did keep. All right, first of all, I kept the vest. I did size up just to make sure it fit and it was comfortable. So this one is a small. So luckily they had it and I was able to size up. I kept the brown outfit by Z Supply. So I kept the bodysuit and the brown pants. Love, love, love those. I kept the Michael Stars graphic tee. Loved that. And I think the last item that I kept was the AG denim, the Mari. So I basically have a few outfits right here because even the t-shirt will go with it quite a bit. But the blue will go with my other blue blazer, so I'm set anyway. So that's my keepers for my front door fashion. It was such a good one. Such a good one. My stylist, Rachel, like rocks. Rocks. She's amazing. All right, so for outfit of the day today, I'm doing a denim on denim look. I have on cut from the cloth denim. I have on Cabi tank. Remember this? The cute little tank, the charm tank, with the new jacket from both. I think both of these are from my spring haul, spring 25, I hope. This one might be from last spring. But my jacket's new, just from the latest spring collection. Love this. And then I grabbed a pair of mules from a long ago Stitch Fix. Put those on and a Loft belt. And for jewelry, I think, I have on an Ana Luisa necklace, my bracelet stack, and that's it. All right, well, Wyatt and I have to get back to work. Hopefully we can get some snippets of sunshine time today. I hope it's sunny where you are, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday. So I missed a day. Yesterday was a bad day. We'll just say it. It was a really bad day. And I hate to have to share this kind of news on Happy Dance Day. I hate to share this kind of news any day. But very unexpectedly and very suddenly, Wyatt crossed over the Rainbow Bridge yesterday. So he's not here for Happy Dance. I don't know what happened. He was fine last night. The night before, he was fine in the morning. Went out like he normally does. He was eating, took his treats. I got to work at my desk at about 10:30. Went to take him outside because he wanted to go out. And I knew something was terribly, terribly wrong. He was already gone at that point, so there was nothing that I could do. Believe me, I would have. And the only thing we can think of, because he didn't have any issues other than his knee joint, was heart attack. That was quick and painless, hopefully. Very quick. He didn't make a sound. He was laying in my office with me. He was 11 years old. He was my baby. He followed me everywhere. Always underfoot, always with me. Slept with me, always was in here with me. You guys have got to spend time with him for probably 8 years now. And I know that you all loved him too. So no Happy Dance today. And in fact, I think that I'm going to just end the video today because, that's a lot to take in, especially because he was such a big part of my channel and a big part of my videos. You are going to see him probably for 3 more weeks. I've been working ahead because I plan to take a little bit of time off here. So you're probably going to see him for a good 3 more weeks in videos coming up. But that's a good thing. It's a good thing. And I'm really sorry. I know you guys all loved him like I did, and he will be sorely missed. Very missed. Zanus, I don't think, is still trying to figure out what's happened. my husband, my son, and I are all incredibly upset and hurt, and of course, but Wyatt had a really great life, and he was loved and well taken care of. So that's all we can hope for, right? Okay. To try to lighten the mood and not end us on a super sour, terrible end. After yesterday was a terrible day, and I just will never wear that outfit ever again, since now it has that bad connotation to it. And I didn't want to share it. I did try to clean myself up for today, and I did put on a cute outfit because when you're feeling really low, you know, at least dress like the day you want it to be, right? So I did put on a fun outfit. I have on Cabi pants and a Daydreamer t-shirt from Ever Eve. I got it on sale. You would have seen it in my haul. Then I have on this cute little crop denim jacket from White House Black Market. And for shoes, I put on my gold Dolce Vitas. They're just mules. And for jewelry, I just put on a bracelet stack. I didn't have energy for even a necklace. I was glad that I got myself dressed for the day. All right, so we never know when our time is going to come, right? You just never know. Nothing is a given. We're all on borrowed time, I think. And Wyatt did have a really good life. He even had been outside the last 2 days. It had been nice here. So I had been taking him outside, and he had got to run around. He was super happy. All right, guys. So you guys know the drill. I'll put all the outfits down below for you. Can't wait to hear what your favorite was, and I'll see you next time. There won't be a what I wore next Sunday. I'll drop something else in there instead for you, and we'll get back to hopefully normal schedule and normal life the week after that. All right. Thanks, everybody. I so appreciate you all, and I always loved all your comments on Wyatt and all of my furry sidekicks, so I always appreciate all your love for them. I'll see you guys.